Hey, what's going on, y'all? Hope everyone's having a blessed day. I got a question from a young lady, Kathy Martinez. Actually, I got this question from quite a few people. I'm using her because she was the last one to ask me the question. But she asked me, can you apply for credit with a company that you listed in your bankruptcy? So there's a term that we use in the credit world, burning a credit card company. And what that means is basically the you didn't pay that line of credit back. It was either charged off, you listed it in a bankruptcy or something like that. You just didn't pay it. Chances are it was either charged off or you put it in a bankruptcy and never paid them. And a lot of times people wonder, can I apply for credit with this company again, or is it a lifetime ban? How long is the ban? Well, you will hear varying things, 12 to 24 months, depending on what company it is. The higher the tiers, like the Chases, the American Express, it could be years, like 15 years before you're able to apply with that company. It just depends on your situation. But Capital One, it's not as long as you may think. For example, what I'm about to do is I'm about to deep dive in the computer. I'm going to show you guys um, a Capital One. I'm going to apply for a Capital One card, and I want you to know that I believe it was October of 2017, my bankruptcy discharged. I had Capital One that I listed in my Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Today is the 14th of April, 2019. So you're going to see firsthand someone that burned a credit card company, and was that a year and a half later, something like that. They apply for the credit card, and you'll get to see firsthand. Okay, so you guys have a great day. I'm about to deep dive into the computer and catch you on the other side.
Okay, so what I've done is I put in most of my information so that we wouldn't have to go over it. I just wanted to block out all of my personal information. So I wanted to. The test is, how long would it take? Do you have to wait before you can apply for a credit card? Like I said previously, I already burned Capital One once in a bankruptcy. So what I did was I wanted to apply for a Capital One card, and in this video I'm going to show you live if I get qualified or not. Right? So basically I just wanted to see if, is it possible to get a credit card after you burned a company, and as it's going through everything, it's going through my application. And I wanted to do this live just so that you guys can get a in-depth look on what's going on. All right, so we're going to sit here, we're going to process the application, and we're kind of waiting for a response um, from Capital One. And as you can see, I just got, it says, congratulations, you're approved for a platinum card. Looks like my credit limit is $3,000. That's not too bad, but, we'll take it. We'll take it. So the question was, can you get a card after you burn the company? There's your answer right there. As you can see, Capital One just gave me an approval for $3,000 card limit. It's getting late. Had to do this really late. Had a few things to do. So you guys have a blessed day. This isn't going to be a long video, but I just wanted to touch bases with you guys. I'll talk to you guys later.